Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix touch screen not working on iPhone after update iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap touch accommodation. Turn on touch accommodation. Scroll down. Select use until touch location. Tap OK. Scroll down. Tap swipe gesture. Turn on swipe gesture. Select standard. Solution number 2. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down. Tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. On the reset page, tap reset all setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.